Alright, hey, it's Ryder. We got the Atropos Kratos 2 Black Mood with us. And I gotta say, it is one of my favorites. I've owned this for 8 months, and this thing has not disappointed at all. Tolerances on this thing are really good. No tap. Little itty bitty amount of play. Swings pretty good. Swing is really good. And it flips just unreasonably well for the price. So for $150, this is definitely one of the better deals you can get in the current market. And the live blade is usually $160, but they're having a sale. So to pick this up with even the live blade, it would be about $140, which is just it's a really, really good deal. I was gonna say unheard of, but I don't know. Stuff like that sometimes happens. So flippability, rollovers are really easy to do. Fanning is pretty good. Let me try to get every fan in the game. Oh my god, I can't flip because it's so cold. That was supposed to be a Z-choker, by the way. Good thing I am not flipping a live blade today. Ladders are decent. There's no jumping, so ladders are a little of a struggle. Especially when your hands are cold. But ladders are still decent. Scissors, they kind of just fall in place. As I say that, they kind of just fall in place. And I am not able to do scissors right now. Sorry. Scissors. Okay, I can't do a scissor anymore. Scissors are good. Pretty much anything when it comes to flipping is really good with this Balisong. Flipping this is better than the Nautilus. Like, I'd rather have this than the Nautilus. And I'm selling my Nautilus. Because, you know, I would rather flip this than my Nautilus. This is about 4 ounces. So this thing's light. Yeah. 4 ounces, so this thing is light. It got very nice G10 titanium liners. I think that's what it's called. I might be retarded though. Bronze washers, I'm pretty sure, and bushings, which $150. Pretty good. N690, which is my favorite blade steel for reasons. And so materials are pretty good on this thing. And durability is great. Let's see. I'm pretty sure you can see that, but I've scratched the heck out of the titanium. I beat this thing pretty bad without beating it. As in, sometimes I take this with me at the store. I flip it pretty much only on wood. This thing has been flipped on wood a lot. And for 8 months, it's in pretty good quality. G10 is really nice. Any scratches that you get, oh my god, will rub off so easily and disappear. I dropped Over here, I dropped this on the concrete. It was really rough, and I smoothed it out, and it barely looks like anything. I don't know if I have a video of that or not. So flippability, durability, and materials are great, especially for the money. 150. Now, it's a very comfortable flipper. It's very comfy. I have never been pinched by this thing. I've been flipping for a year and I still don't know what to call this, but I think this is rounded off. I don't know what it is, but chaplains are so comfortable. You can chaplain so easy, no effort. And it's a very nice looking Balisong as well. That G10 looks pretty good. Like, that looks great. And it's nice and textured. You're not gonna drop this at all. Like, this thing is hard to drop. It just sticks in your hand, if that makes any sense. Oh crap, I've been flipping on the live blade. I did not look to which side I was on, so yep. But very comfortable. You drop it less than you would think. So it's comfortable and very nice to flip. Okay, so sound. This sounds so good, and it's very bouncy and responsive. It's probably my second best sounding Bali I have, in my opinion. Nothing can defeat my Covenant though. My Covenant, the live blade and the trainer sound so good. But this, that's pretty good sounding in my opinion. Yeah. So overall value, it's great. The only problem with this Balisong is it takes too long to come. Because it's from Russia, it's gonna take a month or two, sometimes longer. So my only complaint is it's from Russia and it takes too long to come. Because this thing is great. And I would 100% recommend buying it. I love flipping this thing. It's definitely better than my Nautilus. It's lightweight, so it's not very tiring to flip. And it looks good, it sounds good, it flips good, it just ticks all the boxes. So that was the review. It was kind of crap because usually I write down stuff on a piece of paper to keep track, or I edit my videos. But no, not on this one. So, pretty good.